on doing much today, but woke up, went to Publix last night, got this coconut dragon fruit yogurt parfait, and it is pinkish purple, and then some granola that came in it, and it's granola and chocolate chips. My breakfast, already had coffee, I'll show y'all. It was a cold brew. Goodwill was a success. Oh, my bad, can I scare you? Hi. Goodwill was a success. Got $103 worth of items. That's with the military discount added onto it. And I remember this time. And I will show y'all once I get back to the hotel. Hello. I don't know if they saw you. Probably not. Maybe. Okay, so I went to Goodwill, and this is the stuff I got. I left the vinyl record in the car because, you know, they don't give you bags. But I got some Versana Comfort heels, some mini heels, because I was looking for some. And they're still in pretty good condition. They're size 8. Hopefully I can really fit them. I got some loafers. There's over there. They're suede, also in good condition, in a size 8. What brand is this? It is a New Day TM. I only one in a book, so I got this in a book. The only one. What is it called? Your Life of Balance, a complete guide to your vetted nutrition and body types with recipes. Need that outside. I got a new purse. Check it out. Oh yeah, I want 2 ties. He stuck them in there. I'm glad he did that. I was looking for all black ones, so I got a solid black tie and a solid red tie. This skirt, you don't see it. This skirt, this top, another top. Another top. All this stuff is for work, so if it looks business cash, it is. I got this one. Monty says it's a crop top, but it's not. It'll fit me just right. This, because I'm trying to wear more of my color, so deep maroons, reds, burgundies. This clean, well-varnished, caramelized sweater. And I'm looking for a button-up like that. Got another one. This one is actually clean. This is cold, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna get colder in January, about to December as well. Some pants. I'm gonna be wearing khaki pants. I got some black ones, and like the material of these, I don't know if y'all can tell, it's like nice. So nice. I got Mommy a dress shirt. It is like, I don't know, it's like that athletic, that breathable material. And then we saw this in there, and I was like, we can dress this up. Donna said that we can dress this up. It's very cute. But she got a jersey. I got Donna this jersey. Let's get a FIFA World Cup. Got Mommy this robe. Is it giving Cheerios? Well, you can watch this and she can wear that tonight. Me and Monty got matching dress shirts. She's gonna wear this with her brown sweater or this. This is hers. And this one is mine. And I got this cute skirt. It might be too big around the waist, so I'm gonna put my pants on it, or I might hem it a little bit. And I got my mom's vest, because she likes vests. And then got me this jacket. Yeah, look, it's a good one. And that's my haul. Oh yeah, this one when we walked up, she was like, I hope I don't look bad, y'all, but I wasn't looking to be offended. She was so sweet. She was like, I saw this top and I heard y'all saying something about crop top, because Monty mentioned a crop top. And she pulled out this black crop top and it had like sparkly frills on the bottom. And she was telling us how she thought that well, she's not gonna wear it, but she saw it for us. And that's crazy. She walked around the whole store because she was over where we were at. We had to walk to the other side of the store. And she walked around the whole store to get back to us to tell us about the crop top and bring us the crop top. So there's still faith in humanity. There's a lot of good people. I believe people still. Moral of the story, be a good person. That was sweet of her. Very sweet, because she didn't have to do that. We was already on the other side of the store. Okay, so today in Mari's kitchen. Oh, y'all in the dark.
It's only
Today in Mari's kitchen. Seasoned, all oiled up, and ignore the pillows in the back. Oiled up pots. Then we have 3 pieces of salmon. We're cooking salmon and a vegetable medley. Broccoli, carrots, cauliflower. For us. Not just your mommy. Seasoned and ready to. I put the oil and seasoning on it. You know you gotta do the whole oil. My hands are clean, so don't worry about it. Always wash your hands. Veggies in the pot. They gotta unthaw a little bit, so I'm gonna put a lid over them so they can simmer. Add a little bit of water, and we should be good. That's cooking just right. Flip it in a minute, let it sear a little bit more. We'll be good. Sauteed tomatoes on top of salmon with a vegetable.
tomatoes.
You don't? It's on your fish? Let's see.
You can throw them out.
Oh, it's still hot and steaming.
I'm not hungry.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Can I tell them? It's good, and I really like the fish because it's so yummy. And I have mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes.
That's not potatoes. It's cauliflower.
Cauliflower, and I love carrots. Carrots are good for you. And broccoli is my most favorite. So you try some of this broccoli here, y'all. Delicious.
God, it's him looking at what you call. Hey to the people. It's him just staring. All right, go get some food. Bridget, nice to meet you. Oh, this is dope. I like it. Into the drink machine. And books me on here. Let Monty pick out a book. And the first thing she grab is Pete the cat. So we trying to get her to get a different book.
Gabby.
You like Gabby?
I'm looking at every book. Hey, can I just look at every book?
That's what we brought you in here for.
Who's this?
It's just telling you about different princesses.
Enchanted what?
Enchanted princess stories.
Come show me your book, Monty. Show me your book. She got Peppa Pig. She decided finally. I got Ebony a journal, Faith a journal. I'll show you on the card, all this good stuff. But yeah, now I'm looking for a journal for myself and a pen. And Diamond picking out a journal to go in her book. Look at that beat. It's still decorated for Christmas. That's cool. Diamond honey hot wings. Let's see. Monty chicken tenders. I got honey lemon pepper, and Rennie got traditional buffalo. Alright, so look here. We got once again Peppa Pig from Monty. That back in her bag. You want your book, Monty? I'm watching YouTube, so I got this for Ebony. That's the one she said she wanted. Accidentally enrolled by Aunt Jackson. And we got this journal from her journal. It says many women do noble things, so you surpass them all. Mama got a journal as well, mom's story, and she got blood marked. I want to sip this book, but I'll get this another time. This is so I can just write down my thoughts, because I don't like putting notes in my notes out. It's not the same as writing down. You want your book? But that's all we got from the book. Storage. We got so much on here. I got this.
Oh, steak. Show it to me, because I'm not mistaken. Yeah, what does it come with?
Wow, tall spot pancake.
I didn't look at it.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's right here, man.
She said, excuse me, can I have a straw? It tastes good.
You just got plain pancakes?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. That do look good. And then Mama got
Don't stop.
We used to have that at school. They used to have that at Running McNeil.
I did it in my 10th grade year.
We used to have it, but I don't know what happened.
back at Books a Million. Say hey, right? She on the phone, but she want a book, so we get her the book 3 and 4, I think, of the Bridgerton series. All right, Rennie getting this one for me, so I gotta worry about getting it. But I finally found this one from Makai, Adele 3, and they got the limited edition vinyl. Oh, they got the limited edition vinyl. I don't know if I should get it or not. I want it. I think I might get it. We'll see. I was at the light and somebody left glass in the middle of the road, so I picked it up. And I'm trying to throw it out. No, I didn't, but I tossed it there. Now we're going to Style Encore because she went to go to a thrift store. Y'all, why was the Adele vinyl record more expensive than Beyonce? The Adele one was $40. And they told me the price. I said $40. Beyonce's was $32, I think. I should have got that one. And it was limited edition for a Cowboy Carter Act 2.
And then 16 Karat just came on when I got in the car. I said that was a sign I should have got it. But Rennie got me the Tyler Creator vinyl record. One of my favorite vinyls or records by him. Albums by him. I'm gonna be contemplating about that. And I gotta get an SD card for this. But good thing is, I did find a record from Akai, Adele 30. So that's a win. A win.
Oh my god, that's such... Oh, that's an expensive truck. I forgot what it's called.
Cybertruck.
Yeah.
Stupid trucks. Book review. Psych. I need to do a book review because I didn't read this book. This one all I got. Book 3 and 4. Who was this one about? Oh, Benedict and Colin.
But the new series supposed to be out. If it ain't next weekend,
Oh,
one of these weeks it's supposed to be coming out.
I don't know. Flower Boy. I should have got a Beyonce one. But I got a deal for my bestie. I was talking so much junk yesterday. I was like, how do I have a record section? It's smaller than Barnes & Noble's, but it'll do. It'll do. But that's all we got today. Ooh, sincere. Oh, look at that view. We out here to pick shells for Monty. And Mama done found one. Yeah, she done found one. Because Monty left and she put literally every rock in her pocket that she could find. So we about to look for some more. Since they left. She got like broken rock. I mean, not rocks, broken shells and not whole ones. So I think those are the ones she like. Yeah. All right. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl. I'll be alright. Anyways, I washed my hair and now I look like Shirley Temple. One thing I'm gonna do for sure from now on, because my curls come like this and they popping, oil the crap out of my scalp before I wash my hair. That's a new key. Oil before wash day. All right. Happy New Year's. Good night. Good morning. It's Friday. We are leaving out today instead of on Sunday, and I broke my thing again, as y'all can see. So it's not gonna be sitting on the handle, but it is what it is. I guess I'll talk to y'all as we get further down because I don't want both my hands to be occupied right now, at least not with this. So yeah, I'll see you as we get further down the road. Good morning, by the way. And I didn't think I said Happy New Year's yesterday to y'all, so Happy New Year's. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, see y'all as we get further down the road. Play area. Y'all too big for that.
No, that was the seniors.
Oh, Chick-fil-A stop.
Yeah, I went to see Rudolph. Play Rudolph.
Oh, that's funny. Y'all wash my hair and now I got major shrinkage. To this one? Oh man, where did y'all go see Rudolph?
It's up there, but Miss Cassie didn't want to go back to school yet. So she told the people to make every stop. We even went to the playground.
For what? Miss Cassie funny.
She didn't want to go back to school until it was time to actually go at 3:15.
Yeah, look at the flowers they have in here. I wonder if they gotta be water in here. They need some flower food. But Miss Cassie funny. I'm ready to get my nails done.
I'm not taking it off. I get a refill.
Did it acrylic or is that gel? Oh. Chick-fil-A secured. I got me a vanilla iced coffee. I started to get a cold brew. And I got me the sausage. Hold on, Summer. The sausage hash brown bowl. That junk good with some Chick-fil-A sauce. It's about to slap. My name. I'm about to struggle eating and driving because that's one thing I have a hard time doing. But we're going to get it done because I'm hungry. Alright, I'm sorry. Let me calm down. It's too early for that. It's only 8:35. Apologies. So I'm going to eat and drive and I'll see y'all right down the road. The sun looks so pretty. I got my food fixed. Struggle getting the Chick-fil-A sauce. But we got her done. I feel like these used to be different. They used to have egg whites. And it was like, I don't know. I should have got chicken. This will do. It's still good. I cut that chicken like I been had money. Hey! everything unpacked, situated, and yeah, everything is packed and situated, and I'm about to sit down and edit everything from this week because I only have a few more clips to add on there, and then I'll be done, and I can hopefully push this other video out before Monday. Yeah, it's Friday, and it's only like 10, 11 o'clock right now because we left early this morning, so yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed. But I don't think I have anything else. I hope y'all going to the New Year's, or y'all came into the New Year's well, in great health, in love with yourselves, confident, hopeful for better and greater things to come, because I wish nothing but greatness upon everybody. Yeah, have a happy New Year. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to click like, subscribe, and comment, all that good jazz. See you guys next time.